Hey guys, so I'm at another garage clean out. I've got this mattresses, fridge, and those little toys. I should be here maybe 20 minutes or so. Hey guys, so we are done. All of the items that were here, the mattresses, the fridge, and the little toys, they're all gone now. They're in my trailer. Let me show you. Of course, I'm gonna fix them. I'm not gonna leave that standing up there. But there's the two mattresses. Actually, yeah, it's three mattresses. It's the two full ones. It's the queen. There's the box spring back there. All the little bikes, just random trash. The trash bag right there, and the fridge. The little bikes, they're gonna be recycled along with the fridge. Of course, I can't recycle or resell or give away the mattresses. But that's it, guys. I hope you have a good rest of your day. See you on the next video.